So I finished cooking mine, put it inside place. See granite here, side. New granite.
You are good, you are kind, you are more than this.
Guy, they have a lot chicken here that they do sell. It's not as if here is like depot in Agbo here that they sell all these things. For me, they have a lot here. And if you want to buy OCs, you can come and buy here. Yeah. This way in Agbo. I think Owa Market they call this place, Owa Market. And they sell a lot of chicken here, different type. So the guy he's doing it for me. Guys, I'm buying salad ingredient. Imagine this one you call it 1,015. This one is 1,500. The medium and this one 1,000 naira. This one is better now. Give me this one. I'm buying salad ingredient here. Yeah, I want to cook fried rice tomorrow. Yeah.
A few minutes later.
I'm just coming back from the market. See up my body. I'm still wearing my red coat. Today is Saturday weekend. So I want to cook soup today and tomorrow I want to cook fried rice. So I will take you people along. So let me show you guys what I got. I was able to make some clip in the market then, but let me show you all that I got that I want to use and cook today and tomorrow. Guys, so yeah, this is all that I got from the market. I want to use all this thing to cook egusi soup and fried rice. Guys, I bought this chicken 11,000 naira. I forgot the name. It's very big. For see, it's very big, guys. 11,000 naira. They sold it for me. So I bought this fish. I think 1,000 naira. I bought this fish. I bought this tomato 700 naira. Yes, I bought this lazy 27 plantain 1,000 naira. I bought this mayonnaise. I think it's 1,500. So yes, this is liver. Yeah, this is all that I will be using to cook for the weekend. Yeah, but today I am so tired. I will only cook only egusi with this water leaf. Yes, I have some meat set already. I will jump with some of it and fish, use it to cook and this thing water leaf and egusi. So tomorrow is Sunday, guys. I will take you people along my cooking. Yes, when I will make, I want to make a lot of fried rice. I want to cook bunch of fried rice. I'll put it inside fridge so that we can be eating. Yes, this is all that I bought. So I just bought bottled water and malt. See the nylon that I use. This is all that I got. Tomorrow I'll take you people along my cooking. Yeah, I don't like cooking my fried rice on Saturday. I like cooking it on Sunday. They will eat. Will not put the rest inside the fridge. But tonight I'll cook the egusi soup and the water leaf together, and I'll still take people along. Yes, guys. Later.
The next day.
Hello family, good morning, depending where you are watching me from. Good morning, good afternoon, I'll be good evening. Yeah, fans, today is Sunday. Yeah, the last clip you people watched yesterday, I went to the market to buy food stuff. I was like, I want to cook egusi. It was raining and I was tired. I could not even cook the egusi and the water leaf. So we just ate something else yesterday now and sleep. So this morning now, I did go to church. I was like, okay, let me just cook all the food this morning. And I want to be making the egusi and water leaf. I want to make stew and I want to cook fried rice also. Yeah, guys, I said, let me take you guys along, my family. Let me take you along. Let me show you all that I will be cooking. Yeah, guys, all mine, I've washed everything. So let me just show you guys make the soup. Maybe when I finish making the soup, I will show you guys. Maybe when I'm making the fried rice, I will take you people along. I will show you all the detail. But let me just show you guys, and I'll make the soup, and I'll come back to you guys. So watch it, don't leave. Please subscribe to me. Thumbs up for me, guys. Yeah, thumbs up for me. Yeah, guys, this is what I have already blended this pepper down. Yesterday I've cooked it, the pepper and tomatoes here. This is all. Yeah, this is my fish. I brought meat out. I have meat inside fridge before. I'll be using the meat and some chicken to cook and fish to cook the egusi soup. And this is my chicken. So I want to my baby. I've washed it, so we'll parboil now. I will start cooking all the food, guys. Yes, guys, do you people used to fry egusi when you are cooking your soup? Egusi, I used to fry mine because he used to purge me. So I used to fry with red oil and onions, and I will now pour all the water of mixed stuff on it. So I used to fry my egusi. So I finished cooking my soup, my egusi. I finished cooking it. Yes, this I will put it inside plate now. Arrange it inside fridge. Yeah, my meat. Yeah, the meat, the chicken and fish. I will parboil it. I will start frying it now. And I will start making stew. Cause you people used to see groundnut your side. New groundnut have come out in ad, but now this groundnut 500, very many. I cook it now. That will be eating. Yes, I'm cooking my stew right now. Yeah, stew that I'm cooking now. My chicken, I'm frying all my chicken. So I'm making stew. When I'm done with the stew, guys, yeah, I'm making my stew. I'm frying my tomatoes and I'm frying all my meat. So after making the stew finish now, I will know that it's rice I will be cooking. I will be cooking the fried rice. I want to use the meat stock to cook my boiled fried rice. So that is what I'm doing now. I'll finish making my stew. I'll finish making my stew and fry the remaining meat. I just kept this during the week. I'll use it to cook for curry. There's one water yam that I bought, so I just left this. So I'll use it during the week. Maybe I'll carry you guys along during the week if I cook the for curry. So I decided not to fry this again. So I'm almost through. I will start cooking the fried rice now, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm tired though. I'm tired. I have cooked the stew finish and I've cooked the egusi. So it's the fried rice I will start cooking now. I will first eat. After eating, I will continue cooking the fried rice so that we can eat out of it in the night. Yeah, guys, when I'm cooking the fried, I don't even know the title I'm going to even name this video. I don't even know. This one is just cooking because I noticed that I have not taken you people along my cooking since when I relocate to Nigeria. So I'll be making a lot of video of cooking to you guys. Yes. Okay, later. Yeah, I'm already start cooking the fried rice. So guys, the stock meat I'm using it to cook. So let me just show you guys. Yeah, I already started frying my fried rice. So I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. Yeah, this is the one that I've fried down already. Yeah, I'm through. Yeah, I'll just carry it like this and put it inside the freezer. That's what I want to do. Maybe we'll just eat this one. Yeah, guys, I'm done. I'm finished cooking. Yeah, guys, I'm almost finished cooking. Yeah, this is how my day goes. Or Sunday, Saturday. Yeah, maybe during the week I'll make another video also so that I can be uploading some video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Please thumbs up for me, thumbs up for your sister. Bye.